Miss Universe is an annual international beauty pageant that is run by a United States and Thailand based Miss Universe organization. It is one of the most watched pageants in the world with an estimated audience of over 500 million viewers in over 190 territories. The pageant's advocacy is a humanitarian issue and is a voice to affect positive change in the world. Hello, Namaste, Adab. Welcome once again in another video. Hey guys, the most important element of the event is the crown, which has seen various changes in this year. It has changed 12 times over the course of its 71 years history. So here we present to you the glimpse of every crown in brief. So guys, enjoy this video. Let's start with Miss Universe first crown, the Romanov Imperial Nuptial crown. There was only one queen who wore the Romanov Imperial Nuptial crown, which is believed to be made with approximately 1535 old mine-cut diamonds, and that is Finland's Armi Kushela, the first title holder of Miss Universe. Prior to this, the orb-shaped crown is said to have been worn by the Empresses of Russia. The metallic bronze crown, also known as the Christian Martel crown. It is named after Miss Universe 1953 Christian Martel of France, used only during that year. The crown was made by American silversmith Alan Adler. The crown with its gold pearls and dangling star was designed to represent a geometric renditions of the planets. It is mostly remembered for its unique design and lack of crystals and rhinestones. The Star of the Universe crown, the first crown to be crafted specifically for the Miss Universe pageant. The Star of the Universe is comprised of approximately 1000 oriental cultured and black pearls set in gold and platinum, capped off by a bright and shining star in the middle that gave it is the name valued at 5 lakh American dollars. The 1.25 pound crown was worn by winning queens from 1954 to 1960. The Rhinestone crown, also known as the 10th anniversary crown. The crown celebrates the Miss Universe decades-long run, completely bedazzled with rhinestone, a large piece placed in the middle along with a star above it, with its sole purpose to commemorate the pageant's success over the year. Only 2 title holders got the chance to wear this crown. Sarah Coventry crown, the beginning of what would be the longest serving crown in Miss Universe history. It comes in 2 versions. Jewelry designer Sarah Coventry tweaked the rhinestone accents from the previous crown for the first design. Replacing the star, she adds a female figure holding a scepter as its centerpiece. The original version was worn from 1963 to 1972. From 1970 to 1972, the Coventry crown had several alterations before settling into its final form in 1973, as the second version was crown renamed the Chandelier crown. It still bears the same design but was made to be more comfortable to wear. This is my personally favorite crown and it was worn by Miss Universe 1973 to 2001. Due to its longevity, the crown would become a favorite among pageant fans. The Mikimoto crown. This crown used from 2002 to 2007. The Mikimoto crown was created under the sponsorship of Mikimoto Pulse Company as it became the pageant's official jewelry maker. Comprised of 500 diamonds of almost 30 carats and 120 South Sea and Okoya pearls that are the 3 to 18 diameters. The crown design is fashioned to resemble 7 feathers from a Fenguang phoenix, a Chinese mythological bird to signify power, beauty and elegance. This beautiful crown was worn from 2002 to 2007. It then had a resurgence in 2017 and the finally ending a year later. The CAO Fine Jewelry Crown. This crown is an instrument of priceless jewels, comprised of 555 white diamonds, 375 cognac diamonds, 10 smoky quartz crystals and 19 morganite gemstones. Diana Mendoza from Venezuela is notable for being the only queen to wear this glittering headpiece, which had been crafted in Vietnam, where the 2008 pageant was held. The Diamond Nexus Peace Crown. Partnering with Diamond Nexus Labs, fans were given the opportunity to choose the crown from 3 different designs, with each design bearing the names Peace, Hope and Unity. It was the Peace Crown that won the voting. With 1,371 gemstones weighing a total of 416.09 carats, it contains 544.31 grams of 4K and 18K white gold and platinums. The crown's bright red rubies aims to represent the pageant's main causes, which is HIV/AIDS, education and awareness. Due to its heaviness, only Miss Universe 2009 Stephania Fernandez wore the crown's original version. Changes were immediately done, with its update version being used from 2010 to 2013. The DIC Crown. In 2014, Czech jewelers company Diamonds International Corporation (DIC) stepped as the pageant's newest crown sponsor. Using New York City's skyline as inspiration, the crown took 4 months to make. The crown showcased 5 large topaz stones, 198 sapphires, 331 diamonds and 33 translucent bohemian crystals. The DIC crown estimated to have price of $3 lakh. The crown is a symbol of beauty, stability, confidence and power of women around the world. The Power of Unity Crown. Muwaz Jewelry Power of Unity Crown is said to be a unique, bespoke work of extraordinary craftsmanship that carries with it a powerful message to the world. It is made of 1,725 white diamonds and 3 golden canary diamonds set in harmonious interplays of petals, leaves and vines. This reminds us that we are stronger together than apart. Under its belt, it has had 3 Miss Universe title holders carrying over from 2019 to 2021. The Force for Good Crown. This dazzling crown, made up of 45.14 carat royal blue sapphire that symbolize goodness and hope for a brighter future, and 10 carats of blue sapphire and 18 carats of white diamonds that reflects to need for any call of changes repeated across time. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to write your favorite crown name in the comment section box. And do like, share and subscribe this channel.